Yes. Y'all want PG so bad, we got PG car. With tags! Nah, give me some more. Give me some more do say. Hey, Sin. And we got debit card for you. If y'all wanna fuck, we gonna do the fucking thing. Listen to me. We gonna do the fucking. Y'all know. Yes, Devin will run you. No. Let's get Antonio first, then the fuck. No, we gonna hop like that, bitch. You gonna hop like that, motherfucker. All you gotta do is just drive, motherfucker. I know. Don't fuck with me. All right, Antonio first, then the fuck.
We're gonna do Antonio.
Then the fuck. We only ain't no look nothing.
We got a race in fucking order. What the fuck is this?
It don't matter. Y'all gonna do the. We gonna do the fucking tonight. Y'all in our area, so we doing the fucking.
Last time we came here, you know.
Ain't no last time nothing. We gonna do the fucking.
Okay. I agree.
Hey. Yes. Okay. Mello. Antonio first, then the fuck. Same pops of both races. We get locked in. If y'all back out, I want the pop for the fuck.
I'm gonna get you right. Oh,
ain't no fuck no nothing. We already locked it in, son.
I'm not backing out.
Sim, we already locked it in.
Shut the hell up and let's race.
Sim, don't do all that. Oh, we're flagging. We're going to race.
Don't talk all that shit to me. Don't talk all that shit to me, remember? Shut the fuck up. Shut up.
Hey, Dum, he getting fucked wrong. Dum getting fucked wrong. I tell you like this, you getting fucked wrong tonight. We fucking you tonight. We fucking you tonight, honey, bud. I mean that. You getting fucked the wrong right tonight. We getting fucking you wrong. Don't worry about Antonio. Don't worry about Antonio. Don't bring you down. You fine. We race, motherfucker. We fucking you tonight.
I'm a straight racer. I don't want to get burned down.
I'm telling you, we doing a fucking tonight. I'm telling you, we fucking tonight. You hear me, D? We fucking tonight. All that capping they did.
We did on Facebook. He already locked in.
He already locked in. He sold him.
He asked for it.
Man, these niggas capping, cuz.
I told him this 45 minutes ago.
Fuck that. He asked to race. We just sat here and put towel in that car. We ain't put towel in that car for nothing. He asked that man to race.
Was on street tire
Fuck when he raced a 650.
because he was just setting up a race with it on street tire last week.
It don't matter.
Hey, Mello.
He didn't ask.
Mello,
He said heads up.
Hold on.
There's already 2 races.
No, Mello, hold on.
Hold on. I literally told him this. I told him this 45 minutes ago.
No, it's hold. Y'all sit tight.
They should have told you.
He didn't say nothing.
No.
He told him no
pass. We went and put towel in the
45
car.
minutes ago,
didn't
we
say
talked
no.
about
45
it.
minutes. We were putting towel on like that.
I told you they come on
So they didn't
Yes.
gamble on the car that's untested.
I told you
What is that heavy?
It's
It's
an
over 4,000.
automatic car.
Let's
My
gamble.
mother can drive.
Mello, let's
It
gamble.
runs Levin's bone stock.
Let's gamble.
It runs Levin's bone stock, bro.
What do you think he runs?
Exactly.
What do you think he
So
runs?
let's gamble.
What do you think he
Let's gamble.
runs?
It's a
He's
gamble.
racing a car that makes over 200 more horsepower. or Isaac. If
we'll
not,
go home.
you kick rocks with no
Oh,
socks.
it's very simple. We got Steve for that race. We'll get the race on. No, Steve don't got no. I swear to God, Steve don't got no money in the
But
pot.
the point is, y'all get everything you want. You ain't mother and you're not my wife.
All right, then.
So
We'll
it
go
ain't
home.
happening. All right,
We're
that's
not
fine.
married tonight.
That's fine. Ooh, we already hit y'all raw too.
Chick.
Undefeated by PG cars.
Damn.
You wanna go heads up again over here? Like, I'll go heads up with you then. Since them bitch ass nigga told you all that shit, you a full bolt-on car with a cage car, I'm gonna gamble, cause that's what the fuck I do. He got the light. He got the light. When that light goes on right here, show him the light. When that light goes on, we go.
He's out drunk.
We go. Nah, man, because I'm getting tired of y'all niggas keep asking for shit with a stock car. Yeah, it don't matter. You full bolt-on with a cage, nigga. You full bolt-on with a cage.
With a cage.
Y'all niggas look dumb. Y'all niggas look dumb. Asking what's up.